Oh, hi. I'm Jupiter, and I'm from the University of Edinburgh, and my project is called Horoscope Starry Sky. And I will introduce several aspects of this project. So firstly, we can say that the astrology apps make a huge avenue, and the market is growing very fast. And we can also say that 6 out of 10 Americans believed in one of the New Age beliefs, and the astrology is included in this part. So what's the purpose of my project? So it aims to link the Web 2 and Web 3 through the horoscope, culture, and NFT, and it can provide the utility that oracles can predict the scores of the users and customize the NFT metadata. And what's more, we provide opportunity that people could socialize with others who are interested in the same thing or in the similar mode. And we also aim to attract and bring Web2 users to the world of NFT. So what's the features of the current product? Firstly, through the smart contract, we can distribute our NFT, and what's more, we have third-party oracles who can score the attribute and mint an NFT, and then give this NFT to the consulter. So after that, we have an NFT pairing process. So NFT can be paired to participate in social mining. And what's the most important thing is the social mining. So the participants could stake their NFT and to join the one-to-one social networking and mining. The participants will first exchange some personal information for a short introduction, and they will have a dialogue with each other within a limited time. So every word, every message is recorded in the blockchain. And after that, they will score the social experience when communicating with each other. And the score will correspond to the other person's token income. This is to say that we link the social experience with the income of the users. So if you make other happy and make other more comfortable, then maybe other will score the experience higher, and you will get more token. And if the score is higher than 8 points for both participants, that means that they score both at least 8 points, and there will be an additional opportunity to exchange social platform information such as Telegram ID, and they can just get to know each other more deeply. So what's the strength? The product currently is blockchain agnostic. Actually, the whole project is developed by the new programming language, which is a specific language for blockchain. So every EVM-based blockchain can be supported. And we also merge the cultures. So we bring different peoples from different areas, from horoscope, astrology, NFT, and Web3. And what's more, we also integrate resources. Cause our users are mostly in Web2, and there are very large amounts of users, so that we can based on those users and promote our social to our mode for them. So what's the business model? I think there will be two kinds of models. In the early stage, we'd like to cooperate with Web2 astrology or horoscope app. So we can as a new feature to introduce NFT Web3 and social mining Web2 users. So this is to say that actually the product is integrated in their website or their application, so users can just use those Web3 like Web3 application in the Web2 website. So that so this is just the element of the Web2 provider. And the second choice is that we can build a fully decentralized application to attract oracles or stargazers, as well as users to interact with through smart contract and NFT. So we also like to build a social platform based on user-generated content. So this is the roadmap. Currently, the NFT is just the NFT has a limited utility, so it can only be staked and used in the social mining. So there will be more NFT, such as temporary NFT, and it can be retained for a period of time and has multiple attributes for astrological consultation phase. For example, there could be an NFT which has an attribute of a career. So if you transfer this NFT through the smart contract to the oracle, then the oracle could like predict the career fortune for you. So the next is there are different ways to make an NFT. So we can like create brand box. And there will be more promotions for selling this NFT. And what's more, there will be many kinds of play modes related to NFT, such as staking pool and renting services. For example, if you found that you don't like to predict your career, and you can give that, you can like give the NFT to other, to borrow the to like lend the NFT to others, and the others will use this NFT to predict their fortune, and then you can get the NFT back. So that's the one utility. And what's more, as I have mentioned, we can partner with other astrology apps and build a social platform. So I will do the demonstration now. I will show you the demo. So here I will open 3 windows to act as 3 different users. So firstly, if I am the oracle, I can deploy the smart contract for interacting with different users. So here I just choose different players, just for matching them. So this is quite slow. Just maybe we can, yeah. So now currently what we are like deploying a contract. So after that, the players will like paste the copy and paste the contract in this blank, and they will join the application, and the oracle will predict their scores, will predict their fortunes according to the time the player ask for like rating. Oh, sorry.
Okay,
maybe we can.
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Yeah. I should deploy this in advance, but that's it's okay, I think. Yeah, it's quite it's quite please. Oh god. What is Okay. If this works.
Okay. Sorry, Jupiter. We are
That's
on
fine.
time.
Yeah. We just go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. So, any questions?